Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the DLC codes missing in Dress to Impress. So if you're trying to redeem a DLC code in Dress to Impress but cannot find these DLC codes redeem button on yours, you're not alone. In this guide, I'll explain why the DLC codes options is missing and exactly how you can get it back. So there are a few reasons why the DLC code button might be missing from your menu. First, you're on mobile device or tablet. So the button sometimes only appears on desktop or laptop like this. So I'm opening my game here on my computer. So it is here, the DLC codes. Second one, you are in the wrong menu. So it only shows in a certain place like the main game hub. Or here I'm using a free play mode, but here there's still DLC codes appear. And third one, there might have been a temporary bug or UI glitch after a game update. So let's go through what to do next. So the first step, you can try desktop or PC or use Roblox website. So if you are playing on mobile and the DLC button isn't there, you can try switching to the desktop versions or Roblox via browser, where it shows up more reliably. Second one, you need to make sure you are in the right menu, so you can just go to the door address DTI lobby and look for the codes, or in here you can just tap on this DLC codes button and it will show up. And the next step, you need to join the official server if required. So some DLC codes require that you join the official game group or server before redeeming. Links are usually in the game. And next one, you can just try to restart or rejoin the game. So if you're still not seeing it, you can just click on this Roblox button icon at the top left corner and then leave first. Because sometimes Roblox doesn't fully load all UI elements until a refresh. So what if the button is still gone? If none of that works, you can check the official DTI Roblox game page or maybe Twitter or Discord. Sometimes developers temporarily remove the button during maintenance or updates. So that's why the DLC codes might be missing and how you can get it back. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more Roblox updates, and drop a comment below if the fix worked for you. Don't forget to also click on the thanks button. Bye!